Alright guys, it's happening. I just left my place. I'm hoping I didn't forget anything. For those of you guys that know me personally, I forget a lot of things. So Donna double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking that I didn't forget anything. I'm hoping I didn't forget anything. You guys will find out. Yeah, I know.
Probably gonna forget something. Oh, let me turn the lights on because I'm too dark for that crap. We're gonna be on our way to the mall right now.
Yes, that's what he said.
Last minute shopping.
Large.
So we're gonna get matching sweatsuits for tomorrow on the plane.
Way too big.
Let me know if you guys can see me in this. I am in love with this whole sweatsuit. I already have the black one. I'm probably gonna get another jacket though, just because actually I have the jacket on. For me, it's kind of small, I guess.
Right, so we continue our search for whatever he needs. I don't even know what he needs. He needs a jacket.
I don't know what I want.
We were just going through Adidas and I was like, gotta get out before he grabs everything.
Literally need one outfit. I had to get out of Adidas like she said because I was gonna buy everything in sight.
He was gonna be like,
I need to update my Adidas gear, so I was getting excited. But I'm gonna wait till we come back from the trip. So we're gonna go in the shopping street when we come back. Yes.
Alright, he's currently trying on clothes, so we're waiting for that. Alright, so he's getting this item. If he's not getting this item, I said I would buy it for him. I'm not even joking. Like, I love that. Come on here, Biz. Biz. Look at that. I'm drooling, guys. I'm drooling.
It's cool. I like the color. I just need like a white t-shirt.
It's cool.
And I already have one.
It's fine. It's fine. He has one at home, so chill. We're still on the quest for finding a yellow shirt. We just went around the entire first floor. It's not fun. It's or white.
Money.
She almost fell right now, though.
I tried going back like this.
Yeah, I told her to hold on.
And I was like, ah! Why did I think I could go back?
I don't know what's her problem with this, but we're now in the women's section. The best part because I get to see my baby dress up. Look at her. They close in like less than 20 minutes and she's over here about to try on stuff. Look at her. We're going to find Adidas. I don't know. She says this feels good. It feels like a dog. Oh my god. We finally made it to the Adidas section without... What do you mean without? Coming here like 50 times. Finally found it though. So she's now shopping for a purse.
I'm not shopping for anything, guys.
She's lying. She's lying.
You guys will never ever see this ever again. So I don't usually do this, as you guys can see by my style, but I have to take one. What's up? So we're finally at Lori's house. We are about to pack now and we're going to try and fit all of this into that. That's right, into that.
So this is all of my stuff right here. And the other half, surprisingly, she didn't go crazy and pack the whole dang on closet. Which is surprising. I'm kidding. She's like so tired. What time is it, babe?
But I do not pack the entire pocket.
It is 1:13 and we leave in like a couple hours. Oh my god. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but anyways, like she said, we're gonna fit everything over there into here and we will see you guys when everything is
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give.
Alright guys, so that is how we packed for our trip, and as you can see from the title of the video, we did all of that in under 4 hours. Well, not under 4 hours, but like our flight was
4 hours. 4 hours before our flight, we figured out what we were taking, how we
Yeah.
were taking it. I was like, all right, let's go.
Yeah, so we did all of that fairly quickly. As you guys can see, we are in a different location. We have made it to our destination. And if you guys don't know where we are, you're going to have to wait till tomorrow's video to find out. If you already don't know, we have been posting it on social media, so you guys should know, right?
So make sure you guys follow us on our Instagram and Twitter at The Real DNA. They will be down in the description down below and on your screen.
Right.
So that is how you keep up with us. If you only watch our videos, you won't know where we're going next.
Exactly. Because we are booked the rest of this year and next year. So be excited for that and stay tuned. One more thing we noticed, we did not do a intro to the video as well. We were doing an outro right now because we didn't do an outro last night. We're so tired. So yeah, the intro and the outro is gonna be right here.
This
actually,
is it,
this
basically.
Is it. There's
This
no
is
intro.
it.
This
This is
it.
just saying thank you for watching our video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share with everybody you know. Let them know to watch our videos.
The Real DNA. And until next time, stay tuned to watch tomorrow's video, guys. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.